Recently, it has been confirmed that lithium-ion secondary batteries manufactured and sold by Murata are being sold at some retailers and online shopping sites as individual batteries. The individual lithium-ion secondary batteries being sold at these retailers and online shopping sites are unauthorized products, and Murata strongly urges customers to avoid purchasing and using these products. Murata only sells lithium-ion secondary batteries to corporate customers to be embedded and sold in end products, finished products, in a form which provides the appropriate safety measures according to the usage environment, and does not directly sell individual lithium-ion secondary batteries to general consumers. Due to the characteristics of lithium-ion secondary batteries, they have a high energy density. It is extremely dangerous to possess individual lithium-ion secondary batteries. It is also extremely dangerous to carry these in a bag or pocket, as shown here. In addition, it is extremely dangerous to disassemble and remove lithium-ion secondary batteries from end products, finished products. Imagine that you have obtained one of these batteries. For example, an individual cylindrical 18650 size lithium-ion secondary battery used in a removable electronic cigarette. There is a possibility that such devices may generate heat, ignite, and even explode and cause serious damage to customers. Any of these actions could put you at a high risk of danger and should be avoided. We ask everyone for their understanding and cooperation in this matter.